Welcome back to Cerdà's extension of Barcelona. Let us now delve into the methodology behind Cerdà's vision. This diagram shows a sample of 4 blocks in the district. Note once again that each block is a square, or more literally, an octagon, since the corners of the block are beveled to streamline intersections. But that is not the only purpose of the lopped-off corners. They also give the buildings alongside the streets more access to natural sunlight by enlarging the distance between buildings across a given street, and thus widening the angle for solar penetration. Cerdà also put much thought into the exact specifications for each block. He developed a complex equation to determine an appropriate block length, but he never explained the reasoning behind his equation in any of his writings. Feel free to examine the equation and see how he arrived at the ideal block length for his district. 113.3 meters per side. As an engineer, Cerdà had many other planned building restrictions to maintain hygiene. One of them was that buildings could not cover more than 50% of the block's surface, reserving the other half for gardens. Another was that they should be under 20 meters high, and that their maximum depth into the block be 15 to 20 meters. To motivate the landowners overseeing the project to continue, however, Cerdà had to make eventual concessions. The maximum depth of each building into the block expanded to 24 meters, from 15 to 20. Streets, although originally planned at 35 meters wide, ended up on average between 20 and 30 meters. While Cerdà had only wanted 2 sides of every block used for buildings, eventually all 4 sides were used. Cerdà's original concern for ensuring egalitarianism was also all but abandoned, as additional concessions needed to be made for the sake of profitability. Already by 1890, 70% of each block was covered by buildings, and, except for the grid itself, many hygienic aspects of the plan would be almost entirely abandoned in the 20th century.